Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share with you email marketing tactics that will help you to increase your conversion for your e-commerce business. If you like videos like this, do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Every day we'll be launching new videos like this to help you to grow and scale your e-commerce business. So let's look at today's topic right now. So what is an email list? Alright, an email list is one of the most valuable assets for your business, because when you look at the different platforms like Facebook or Google, every time you want to get traffic, you have to spend money and run traffic. But an email list actually belongs to you. Every time you want to send out an email or to market certain things to your email list, you don't have to fork out extra dollars. Alright, so this is one of the most valuable assets for every business. If you don't have an email list, I encourage you to build up your list right now. This is one of the earliest mistakes that I made in my e-commerce business. Traffic is so expensive nowadays that having an email list will actually help you to increase your sales in your e-commerce business. So why is an email list so valuable? Alright, sales cycle have become longer with all the options today. Alright, when people look at your ad, they might not buy immediately. Probably you need to nurture the lead a lot more by sending them proof, sending them demo videos, sending them reviews, right? And also follow up is a critical step in your customer acquisition strategy, and it can be automated. So let's look at the email opt-in process. All right, so if you want to grow your business, you need to find a way to get your leads. All right, so this is why you need to have an email opt-in process. Okay, so let's look at the first example. All right, do you know your actual earning potential? All right, so you can see over here that is actually a quiz. Alright, so when people actually answer the questions in the quiz, you can actually send them the answers to their email. Alright, so this is one of the ways, alright, to actually collect people's email. So you can actually do like a value exchange. Alright, so this is one good example. So why this email opt-in does well? Alright, so it has a compelling headline. Alright, it offers a motivating lead magnet. Alright, so when you want the answers for the quiz, you have to give your email so that we can email it to you. Alright, so it also engages you in a unique way. So let's look at opt-in email example number 2. Alright, so you can look at this example over here, the beginner's guide to online marketing. Alright, so this is like an ebook. Alright, so if you want this ebook, right, you can actually leave your email, all right, and we will send this this ebook to your email. So why this does well? It has a pretty clear call to action and provides plenty of details. All right, so it inspires curiosity with a question, and it provides a valuable lead magnet. Example number 3, all right, so you can see, one more of Upworthy, all right, so you can see over here, it also provides a lot of value as well. So that's the sign up page over here. So it also creates a memorable image in the mind. It creates urgency and solves the problem. It is transparent about their privacy policy, all right, so nowadays people are huge on data, right, privacy protection. So when they are transparent, it also builds the trust and increase the conversion. All right, the value stays consistent with the call to action. So this is another example, right? You can look at over here, Larry Law. Am I doing law school right? All right, so you want to know the answers of how to become a better lawyer or how to excel in your law school. All right, so you can leave your email and basically he will send you the guidebook. Why this does well, all right? It speaks in a personal language to the audience, all right? It has a progress bar, all right, to show you how fast the sign up is, all right? You makes it as easy as possible, and it asks relatable questions and offers a solution. So what do these examples all have in common? The other thing that I want you to think about is how to increase your opt-in rates. So you want to give away something of high perceived value, all right? I always see this as a value exchange. You give value to your consumers and they give you their email, all right? Very critical is to convey trust and safety, and also use testimonials for the opt-in. All right, you want to build that trust and credibility. All right, they state the number of subscribers for social proof, and continuously split testing. All right, so you want to target 30 to 40% opt-in rate. So how to promote to your list? You can actually automate it, right? So set up an automated follow-up sequence. So once a person opts into your email, they will receive a sequence of email. All right, so that's to actually nurture the lead and build trust. Have links that actually pay you inside of the content. All right, and also have big money with opt-in. The next question that you might be thinking, how and when to mail your list. Now, the bare minimum is that you must mail them at least once a month. All right, for me personally, I mail to my list at least 1 to 2 times a day. All right, so you might be thinking, wow, 1 to 2 times a day, what if people unsubscribe to my email? To me, that might not be a bad thing, all right, because if the person is not interested in what you have to offer, then unsubscribing might not be a bad thing, all right. But of course, you don't want to sell to them all the time. You want to actually maybe give them some value, then ask for the sale. Probably a good gauge is maybe 3 to 4 emails of pure value, all right, nurturing the leads, and maybe 1 email to ask for the sale. All right, so you can actually alternate content email with pitch emails. Use a footer in all the emails that link to your products. All right, so you want to have that call to action button, because besides that, you can also track what is your click-through rate. All right, how many people actually click on the link, all right, to discover more. So I'm going to share with you 7 of the best email marketing software. Right, the first one is ActiveCampaign, best for small business and enterprise. Okay, personally, I use ActiveCampaign. The second one is HubSpot. All right, so this is best for B2B service companies. The third one is OmniSend. All right. The fourth one is Rejoiner. All right, best for managed email marketing. Fifth one is Sendinblue. All right, best for transactional emails. The sixth one is Autopilot, best for marketing automation. And last but not least is MailerLite, best for personal projects. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video because every day we'll be launching new videos like this to help you to grow and scale your e-commerce business. All right, so many of you have been asking me, hey, Jonathan, how do I work together with you? If you're interested to work together with me, all you need to do is to fill out the application form below and our team will reach out to you. Only when we are very confident to help you to grow and scale your e-commerce business, that's where we will take you in as a private client. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.